It's been a long time when we used to go to office, get ready and do makeup and go and flash ourselves. But now it's all about messy buns, jackets and night suits. But still we can do a little bit of change on this because we have to be on video calls and Zoom meetings. So today I am here going to tell you about a quick look which is for work from home, so that now if you're going on camera you do not have to be on with messy buns and jackets and night suits. So why should we should wait? Let's just go and check out the video. So here I am in my maxi dress which is very comfortable to work at home. So here I'm going to start with primer. So I have this one. So I'll just hydrate my face a little bit because we all need to moisturize our faces. And now because we are sitting at home, so I don't need to apply foundation, it is very heavy. So I'm going to apply the BB cream which have tea tree oil in it and I love it. So here I'm going to apply a little bit of BB cream to give my face a clean and neat look. So now we are done with the BB cream. I'll apply a little bit of compact to just make my face a little bit even. So now I'm going to apply this compact to make my face look even. So now I'll take a little bit of blush so that my skin can look a little bit more healthy. So I'm not taking much of blush, I'm just taking it in my fingers, rubbing it, and now I'll apply it just to give my cheeks a little bit of pink tint so that it looks natural. That's done. Now my favorite part is to apply. Now as my eyeliner thing is done, I'm going to apply lipstick which is very light and nude so that it gives me a natural look. It's done. A little bit of play with hairs. And look, my video call is already here. So I'll go and start my work and you can try this look and let us know how it is for you.